today we're actually going to Westfield in Chatswood. Why would we be going there when we were there last week? Well, we're actually going to be doing something different today. We're going to a stylist fashion tour. We'll be able to tell you all about it in a minute.
Website, which is westfield.com.au, and you register and they let you know when they have these events coming up, which is really great. So once you're on their mailing list, then they let you know, which is how Beryl and I actually found out that it was on. And you get a stylist to take you through. You kind of get some basics that she takes you through, and then she walks us around the shop. So it's a really good deal. It's 2.5 hours. And it costs $20, but then you get a $20 gift.
Fabulous. The fashion tour was conducted by Trish Murray, a stylist at Westfield. And the first hour was actually just telling us a little bit about how to manage your closet, some tips and tricks, and how to manage what you've got at home first. So watch out, because we'll be telling you more about that on the next episode.
Trish was really great. She took us round to a couple of shops. She discussed the window dressing, let's call them, for a couple of shops, and the whole marketing and how they go about putting the looks together. You can get ideas, and she said if you're not sure what's in for the season or how to put things together, you can look at the mannequins and get great. I also went into like the Diana Ferrari shop, and she picked out a dress and showed us a couple of options of how to put it together. Spoke about the boots that are in fashion. So I really found it really, really handy. The other great thing is, as I mentioned earlier, you pay $20 for the tour, but it's great because you actually get this great $20 gift voucher that's valid for a year. So you can actually come and spend it, whenever you want. And the other thing, valid for today or the day of your workshop, there's you get a couple of discounts from some of the shops